Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a mascot effect with Higgsfield AI. So if you've always wanted to be a mascot or you want to try out being a mascot without actually being one, all you have to do is to use this effect. Now you can see this particular mascot created, and this was created using this image here. So this is the original image, and then this was the mascot created. I mean, what else? This is really dope. So all you have to do is to upload an image here on higgsfield.ai. So the first thing you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, select apps. After signing in, scroll and choose the mascot effect here. You'll be brought to a page like this where you have to do is to upload an image, then click on video. This cost about hit generate video, then this costs about 16 credits. So the 16 credits is actually reasonable because you'll be given a free account on a free um about free credits, 30 free credits rather, on Higgsfield when you sign up. And that's it guys. So once you've clicked on generate video, within 15 to 20 minutes your video should be ready for download, and you can use this for your project or whatever you want to use this for. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.